welcome to my channel, Diana's Homestead, and today you are here with me, Diana. And guess what, you guys? Check it out. We have yet another new addition to the food forest. Here it is. Oh boy, check her out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is a persimmon. Yes, I finally got the persimmon, you guys. So we're going to get ready and plant this persimmon tree out here in the food forest. So if you guys want to come along with me while I plant this persimmon, let's get into it. Okay, so this is a Jiro persimmon. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's Jiro or Jiro persimmon. So this particular persimmon tree gets 15 to 20 feet tall, and I believe 15 to 20 feet wide. So you're going to need some room for it. You can prune it to keep it to, you know, the size that you want. It needs to be planted in a well-draining soil. It needs full sun, and they say it also likes slightly acidic soil, but will adapt. So we're going to go ahead and plant her right here. So I got my handy dandy tool here, my axe pick. And it's been raining a lot here, so the ground is pretty much soft. You want to dig your hole at least 3 times the size of your pot. Now, the website that my daughter got this for me for Mother's Day, she got this. The website sent it in a pot. And normally when I get trees, they come like bare roots. So I was surprised that this came in a pot. And it looks very healthy. So I'm happy about that. And we're going to go ahead and get this hole dug out. And we're going to amend the soil. I'm going to show you guys my trusty soil amendments that I use. It is heating up out here already this morning. Alright, so we got some compost here. We got our amendments. I'm going to be using some Dr. Herb fruit tree fertilizer. We're going to use a little Epsom salt, a little all-purpose plant food, and some bone meal. I ran out of my blood meal, y'all, but I would recommend some blood meal as well. Alright, so those of you who watch know I don't measure. That's our Epsom salt, fruit tree fertilizer. Because remember, you guys, we want to give our trees and plants a good start. Bone meal. And some all-purpose plant food. Go ahead and put the rest of that in there. And we're going to mix this soil on up with the native soil. So I got it as square as I could and as deep as I could because it's hot out here. I've got the soil amended, so I'm going to put a little cushion down in this hole before I put the persimmon down in here. So there's my cushion. So we're going to get ready and plant this persimmon. And remember, the reason for the square is to prevent the roots from wrapping around the trunk and killing the tree. So when you dig your holes, you want to try to get it in a square as best as you can. Woo, here she come, y'all. Woo. All right. We want this soil. Here she goes. Let me get her positioned the way I want her. I'm going to backfill. We're going to fill her in. Got our dirt down in here. What we're going to do now is spread the dirt. Get these rocks out the way. We're going to spread this dirt outward into like a shape of a donut. We are trying to build a wall to help hold in some of the water. So we're just building, we're spreading the dirt outwards. And remember, you want your dirt to be at least 4 inches from your graft. And this will soak down over time. Okay, you guys, so we have finished planting this beautiful persimmon tree here in zone 7B, Southern Virginia. I want to let you guys know this particular tree here grows well in zones 6 through 10. And remember, it also gets to be 15 to 20 feet tall, but you can prune it. And if you guys like this video today, please give me a thumbs up. That helps with the algorithm of my channel. Also, if you are not subscribed, please consider doing so, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. And I just want to say thank you so very much to all of you guys for your support. And until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye.